Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get Aviator Predictor App activation code. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, you first of all have to go to your search bar, type in Aviator Predictor and search it up, and scroll all the way to the bottom till you get the GitHub with the link. Tap on it, and from over here you should be able to scroll down to get a Aviator Predictor download link. Now once you have got it, simply go ahead and install the Aviator Predictor for you. Right, once you have simply downloaded the Aviator Predictor, you're gonna be going to the signing in option. Once you go to this section, and then when you try to sign in, you have to go to the forgot password section, where you should be able to simply get a new code generated for yourself to upload for yourself, or to get the new, to activate your account likewise with the new code. And that is the only way possible. You can also get the code likewise. Make sure to search an Aviator Predictor app as well, so you can get the link. So make sure to add the app GitHub for it, so you can get the Aviator Predictor and plus Aviator Predictor topics as well. Once you have done so, make sure to simply download it, and in the code section make sure to switch, and you should be able to generate yourself a code for that. That is basically it, how you will be able to do so. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.